Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Vlog 34. In this video, I'm going to talk about the much awaited game, the much awaited crack update on Forza Horizon 4. Plus, there is news on Red Dead Redemption 2. Yes, Red Dead Redemption 2. Yes, there is a news on that too. Plus, Mortal Kombat 11 news. So this is action-packed episode with much more news. So let's get started with Vlog 34. But first of all, if you're a new person watching this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's your subscribe that is driving this channel forward. Let me show you some of the gaming setups of the gamers which you guys have sent me. Now with that, let's move on to the first news. The first news is regarding Red Dead Redemption 2. Now there are news and there are rumors and there are strong rumors that by 2020, yes, by 2020 January, we can see a PC version of Red Dead Redemption 2. That is the news which is surrounding Rockstar, and these are the rumors and news which is coming out from the world of Rockstar, that by 2020 January we can have, as PC lovers, we can have Red Dead Redemption 2 on our PC and we could be playing it by January 2020. So these are strong rumors, yes, strong rumors, and we are, as a PC gamer, we should be happy because a big PlayStation game is coming on to PC by 2020 January. So that's a big and major update coming in from Rockstar, which I felt sharing with you guys. Move on to some Forza Horizon 4. Now there is some sad news regarding Steampunk's testing results, and that is the crack has failed miserably, and the final result and the final news from the world of Steampunk is that they were not able to crack Forza Horizon 4. Now that's a very bad news and disheartening news coming in. Now as Forza Horizon 4 has taken so many days, it has left uncracked. The DRM version UWP is quite complicated and it's not that simple as compared to Denuvo. So that is why it's taking a lot of time and a lot of scene groups are failing on their try. And Steampunk was the latest to be inducted in the list of people who have tried and failed. Now with that, what is in store for you for guys who are waiting for Forza Horizon 4? Now what we have to wait from some big scene groups picking up Forza Horizon 4, and that by me, and from that I mean CPY or Codex picking up Forza Horizon 4. So we have to really wait and watch. I know the situation is not that good and you guys are losing patience, but that is what we should have now, patience, because by seeing the failure results of so many scene groups, the bigger scene groups which are in the market can really come up and take a Forza Horizon 4. So that is what we have to wait and watch. I plead to you guys to be patient because the situation is not that good, but it's your strongness that can help. Strong and be patient. That is what the update is regarding Forza Horizon 4. Now let's move on to the third news. News is regarding Mortal Kombat 11, which is scheduled to release on April 23rd. So the news which is coming in that it has no Denuvo version and it could be cracked on the 20th April. Yes, much before the release of Mortal Kombat, because there is no Denuvo version. So who's going to crack it? Codex is leading the race of cracking Mortal Kombat 11. Yes, they could be the person behind cracking Mortal Kombat 11 much before its release date. So you could be having Mortal Kombat 11 on your PCs much before April 23rd. So that is the news coming in regarding Mortal Kombat 11. So with that, we have come to an end of Vlog 34. Hopefully you guys loved this episode. I know Vlog 34 was delayed and after 1 week I came because I was not in a good health and I had cold and fever. That's why Vlog 34 was delayed. Also, I was waiting some confirmation regarding Forza Horizon 4. That's why Vlog 34 was delayed so much. So thanks for your patience for waiting for Vlog 34 so much. Now, hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe button, because it's your like, it's your subscribe that is driving this channel forward, and hopefully see you in Vlog 34 with some good news regarding Forza Horizon 4 and much more gaming news. With that, I will say bye bye, take care, keep gaming, be charismatic, bye bye.